Question number 11 of exercise 2.2. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years elder than Baichung. So Baichung is a boy whose father is 26 years younger than his grandfather and Baichung's father is 29 years elder than Baichung's. So first of all, how much elder than Baichung means we don't know what is Baichung's age. So let Baichung's age means present age, okay? That is Bx. His father is 29 years elder. Elder means body, greater. So father's age will be x plus 29. Okay? And his grandfather is 26 years, means his father is younger, 26 years younger than his father. Okay, that is his grandfather's will be 26 plus 29 plus Baichung. Okay, that means Baichung से भी उसके फादर 29 है और उनसे भी बड़े हैं 26 years. Grandfather will be having more age. So this much years. This is of father's age and this is of Baichung's here. Okay. Then that means we can also write by adding this to x plus 55 is grandfather's age. Okay, grandfather will be this much. Now summation of all this means the sum of all their three ages is 135. If we add all ages of all these three, that is Baichung's age, then plus father's age and grandfather's age. And that will be 135 years. So Baichung's age is x, father is x plus 29 and grandfather is x plus 55 and the total is 135 years. So in the next step, this is our equation what we have got and we have to solve this equation. So x plus 29 plus x plus 55 and that is 135. So 1x, 2x and 3x. 3x plus 29 plus 55 is equal to 135. So both this number can be subtracted from the other side or we can just do addition over here and subtract while sending it to the other side. The total of these two will be 84 is equal to 135. This plus we will send it to the other side. So 3x is equal to 135 minus 84 and we will get 3x is equal to 51. We want to get the value of x. X is equal to 51. Here 3x means here it will be the division form. Okay, on the left hand side to right hand side. So x is equal to 15, 17 are 17, 15 are. So we will get the value of x is equal to 17. So from this we can derive all the three ages, that is Baichung's age, his father's age and his grandfather's age. All these three we can derive. That is x, that is 17 years of Baichung, then x plus 29, that is 17 plus 29 and that is 46 years of his father's, and next is x plus 55 is equal to 17 plus 55 and that is 72 years of age. We have solved all this and got the answer. We can also proceed for our exercise 2.2 question number 12. 15 years from now means अभी से 15 साल पहले, ago. Okay, from now means before 15 years, means 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times, sorry, after 15 years. So 4 times of his present age. So we don't know what is the present age. Let Ravi's present age be X. 15 years from now means after 15 years, means after 15 years. After 15 years, Ravi's age will be 4 times. So 4 times X of Ravi. Okay. And after 15 years क्या हो जाएगा? That is present age में 15 बढ़ जाएंगे. So present age plus 15 years is equal to 4 times of X. 4 times of X means 4X. This is equal to 4X. Okay. After 15 years, the age will be present में plus 15 years, and which is equal to 4 times become. So this is equation. So we need to find X is equal to X plus 14. So we can send X plus 15 is equal to 4X. So we can send this one to the other side. So 15 is equal to 4X minus X. So 15 is equal to 3X. We can write 3X is equal to 15, vice versa, and X is equal to 15 divided by 3. So X is equal to 5. So present age of Ravi, is 5 years. X years means 5 years. We can proceed for the question number 13. This is something based on rational number. A rational number is such number that when you multiply it by 2 by 5, means we don't know what is the rational number. Let the rational number be X, and if we multiply it by 5 by 2, so multiply it by 5 by 2 means X multiplied by 5 by 2. Okay, and add 2 by 3. So to the product means to the product. So if we add, first step we have multiplied, so it will be 5x upon 2. And now with this product we have to add 2 by 3. Okay, the result we obtain is equal to 5x, so this much, that is 5x upon 2 plus 2 by 3, and the result obtained is minus 7 by 12. So this is the equation, left hand side, and right hand side we have to solve it and get that rational number. So first step, 5x upon 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 12. So first step I will send it to this side, that is 5x upon 2, that is minus 7 by 12, and this will be minus 2 by 3. We need to find the LCM of it. So LCM, it will be 12. Okay, so I need to make both this denominator equal, so I have to multiply this by 4, so obviously this numerator by 4. So on the other side, that is 5x upon 2, and on the right hand side that will be common denominator 12. So minus 7 and minus 4 to the 8. So I am getting 5x is equal to minus 15 by 12. So this was clear. Now x means, sorry, here also 2. So this can be sent to the other side first, or it means 5x upon 2, x means multiplied by x. So minus 15 by 12. This I can send it to the other side. So it will be x is equal to minus 15 by 12 divided by 5 by 2. So the reciprocal of it, and I will just multiply minus 15 by 12 multiplied 2 by 5. Okay, the reciprocal of this I have done. So 2 ones are and 2 6 are. Then 5 ones are and 5 3s are, but it will be minus. So answer will be minus 3. Again it can be cut upon 6. Still we can reduce to minus 1 into 3 and 1 into 6. Cut कर सकते 3 ones are 3 2s are. So I am getting minus 1 upon 2 as the answer. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 2. And that rational number what we were searching is minus 1 by 2. Hope so this 13 sum clear to you, and we proceed for the next.